Part 1. Learning to speak with confidence. Good morning, student.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I am fine, sir. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Are you ready for our English practice today?
Yes, sir. I want to speak English better.
That's the spirit. Speaking English becomes easy when you practice every day. So tell me, do you like speaking English?
I like it, sir, but I feel nervous. Sometimes when I speak, people laugh.
That happens to many learners. Remember, people who laugh are not learning. You are learning. And learning means making mistakes.
Yes, sir. I know, but still I feel shy.
That's okay. We'll practice small steps each day. Soon, you'll speak with confidence, talking about daily life. Let's start with simple sentences about daily life. Tell me what you do in the morning.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Good. Then what do you do?
I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a bath.
Perfect. Say all together. Slowly.
I wake up at 7, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I take a bath.
Excellent. You spoke clearly and slowly. After you take a bath, what do you do?
I wear my clothes. Then I eat breakfast.
Nice. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I drink milk.
Very good. These are simple present tense sentences. They tell what you do every day. Practice together. Repeat after me slowly, okay?
Okay, sir.
I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Well done. Now tell me, what time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
Good. And what do you do at school?
I study English. I read, I write, I talk to my friends.
Excellent. These are all action verbs. Study, read, write, talk. Try saying them in one paragraph.
I go to school at 8. I study English. I read books. I write in my notebook. I talk to my friends.
Beautifully said. Building confidence. See, you can already speak English. Do you understand yourself when you talk?
Yes, sir. I understand what I say.
That's very good. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be clear.
But sometimes I forget words.
Forgetting is part of learning. When you forget one word, use another easy word. The goal is communication.
Communication. That means talking?
Yes, it means sharing your thoughts with others. Talking about afternoon routine. Now tell me what you do after school.
I come home at 1 o'clock.
Good. Then?
I eat lunch with my family.
Wonderful. What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables. Sometimes I eat chicken.
Very well. After lunch, what do you do?
I take a rest. I watch TV.
Nice. These sentences are short but meaningful. Short sentences help your brain remember faster. Now let's talk about other people. When we talk about he, she, or it, we add s to the verb.
Okay, sir.
For example, I eat breakfast, but he eats breakfast.
I see.
Try some examples.
I play football. He plays football.
Good. One more.
I read books. She reads books.
Excellent. One more.
I study English. He studies English.
Perfect. You are learning very fast. Talking about family. Let's talk about your family now. Who is in your family?
There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my brother, and me.
Good. What does your father do?
He works in an office.
And your mother?
She cooks food and cleans the house.
Very good. And your brother?
My brother goes to school. He plays football.
Well done. Every sentence is in the simple present tense. Can you say a small paragraph about your family?
Yes, sir. My father works in an office. My mother cooks food. My brother studies. I study English. We are a happy family.
Excellent. That sounds wonderful. Now let's learn to talk about what you like and don't like. Repeat after me.
Okay, sir.
I like apples.
I like apples.
I don't like coffee.
I don't like coffee.
Good. Can you make your own sentences?
I like chocolate. I don't like spicy food.
Nice job. How about your father? What does he like?
He likes tea. He doesn't like cold drinks.
Very good. And your mother?
She likes music. She doesn't like noise.
Great work. You understand how to use like and don't like. Let's practice asking questions. When we use I, you, we, or they, we use do. When we talk about he, she, or it, we use does.
Okay, sir.
Does he like coffee?
No, he doesn't.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Now make your own question.
Do you like music, sir?
Yes, I do. I like soft music. Now let's practice a small conversation. Ready?
Yes, sir.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
What do you do after breakfast?
I go to school.
Very good. You can now answer questions about your day. That's very important for daily conversations. Remember, English is not about big words. It's about clear sentences.
Yes, sir. Short sentences are easy.
Exactly. When you talk, think in English.
That's hard, sir. My mind thinks in my own language.
That's natural. But when you practice speaking every day, your brain slowly starts thinking in English.
I want that, sir. I want to think in English.
And you will. You are already improving. Talking about the evening. What do you do in the evening?
I do my homework. I help my mother. I watch TV or play kabaddi.
Excellent. What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 8.
And when do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Very good. You now have a complete day routine in English. Let's say your full day again.
Okay, sir.
Go ahead.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to school at 8. I study English. I talk to my friends. I come home at 1. I eat lunch. I take a rest. I watch TV. I do my homework. I help my mother. I eat dinner at 8. I read a book. I sleep at 10.
Beautiful. That's a very clear daily routine. See, you have spoken more than 20 correct sentences now. Do you feel proud?
Yes, sir. I feel happy. I can speak clearly now.
That's wonderful. Every day, practice these sentences. Don't worry if people laugh. You are learning something they already forgot.
Thank you, sir. You always make me feel confident.
Because I know you can do it. Every person who tries can learn English. Tell me, why do you want to learn English?
I want to talk to people from other countries. I also want a good job.
That's a great reason. English will help you in your studies and career.
Yes, sir. I want to travel and speak easily with others.
That's a very good goal. Keep it in your heart. Now, one last thing for today. Promise me you will speak English every day, even when you are alone.
Yes, sir. I will speak in front of the mirror.
Excellent. Speak, listen, repeat. That is the secret of learning English.
Thank you, sir. I will practice every morning and evening.
Very good. I am proud of you. Tomorrow, we will learn how to ask and answer more questions in English.
Thank you, sir. I am excited to learn more.
Wonderful. See you in the next class.